Best ways to drive in traffic. 1. When driving in heavy traffic, what should you do to maintain a safe following distance? A. Tailgate the vehicle in front of you. B. Keep at least a 2-second space cushion. C. Speed up to avoid being cut off. D. Drive as close to the vehicle ahead as possible. Answer. B. Keep at least a 2-second space cushion. 2. List 3 important factors to consider when merging into traffic from an on-ramp. Answer. Check for gaps in traffic and adjust your speed accordingly. Use your indicators to indicate your intention to merge. Yield to vehicles already on the roadway, if necessary. 3. Which of the following is a proper way to change lanes while driving? A. Suddenly swerve without signaling. B. Quickly change lanes without checking mirrors or blind spots. C. Use your mirrors, check blind spots, and signal before changing lanes. D. Slow down abruptly and exit the highway. Answer. C. Use your mirrors, check blind spots, and signal before changing lanes. 4. Explain 3 defensive driving techniques that can help mitigate risks while driving in heavy traffic. Answer. Maintain awareness of surrounding vehicles and anticipate potential hazards. Keep a safe following distance from the vehicle ahead. Avoid aggressive maneuvers or sudden lane changes. 5. How should you handle intersections with malfunctioning traffic lights? A. Always proceed with caution regardless of other vehicles. B. Speed through quickly to minimize congestion. C. Treat it as a 4-way stop intersection. D. Ignore other vehicles right of way. Answer. C. Treat it as a 4-way stop intersection. 6. Describe 3 key factors to consider when choosing the appropriate speed for driving in traffic. Answer. Adhere to the posted speed limit. Adjust your speed based on road and weather conditions. Keep pace with surrounding traffic without exceeding the limit. 7. What should you do if you miss your intended exit or turn while driving in traffic? A. Make a sudden illegal U-turn. B. Cut across multiple lanes to reach the desired exit. C. Plan ahead and find an alternate route. D. Reverse on the shoulder of the highway. Answer. C. Plan ahead and find an alternate route. 8. Explain how defensive driving techniques can help in managing tailgaters while driving in heavy traffic. Answer. Maintain a safe following distance from vehicles ahead to give yourself more reaction time. Avoid brake checking or engaging in road rage behavior. If possible, change lanes to allow tailgaters to pass safely. 9. When approaching a school bus with flashing lights and extended stop sign, what should you do? A. Proceed with caution if no children are on the roadway. B. Speed up to get past it quickly. C. Stop until all children have safely crossed. D. Slow down but continue moving without stopping. 10. Provide 3 examples of distractions that drivers should avoid when navigating through heavy traffic. Answer. Talking or texting on a mobile phone. Eating or drinking. Grooming or applying makeup.